If you also got bored with the same old RAM, I bring you the RGB heatsink for your memory that can add more funk to your motherboard within $20. RGB RAMs are very expensive, like really very expensive. So today, I'm gonna convert my simple RAM to the RGB ones by using the heatsink by Jonsbo. Well, this won't only provide the RGB effects to your RAM, but also keep it cool, as you can understand by the name heatsink. These come in 3 different colors: white, black and red, and as you can see, I picked up the black one. On the side of the box, you can see the model name, material, dimensions, connector, voltage and the net weight details of the heatsink. Inside it, you get the user instructions and the heatsink itself. You do get the thermal pads, the screws and the tool as well. Well, it has an aluminium design which to me appears very decent. It has some branding on the top as well as the sides. Now let's go ahead and install it. Firstly, you have to open the heatsink by unscrewing it. Now I'll be using a simple DDR4 RAM stick without any heatsink. If you have any heatsink on your RAM before, you have to take it off first. Okay, now apply the thermal strip on the heatsink and place the RAM stick on it. Beware to place the RAM in a way that the golden part lies outside the heatsink. Do the similar on the opposite side as well. Now you have to close the heatsink by tightening the screws up. Make sure not to apply a large amount of force as it can damage the heatsink. Repeat the process for the other sticks as well. Again, the alignment of the stick inside the heatsink matter a lot. When it comes to cabling, you get to see a male and a female 3-pin connector which you can daisy chain to the fan headers. I went for the Molex to 2-pin connector to power them up. Now install the RAMs onto your motherboard. When it's done, just turn on the PC and you can see the RGB lights live. Now these do not come with any software or remote control, they just run through their normal color cycle, which does look attractive. The only drawback of this heatsink is that they require some extra cable management. Well, not much, but still 2 small wires, which is a difficult task for me. Now to be very honest, within $20 they do the perfect job. So if you're looking for a budget build or a cheap aesthetic upgrades to your PC, I'll highly recommend these. So this was it for the heatsink. Signing off, Tech Tonight.